Hello YouTube. Thursday morning, 9:30 a.m. Having a slooky a pop. Made a few sales this morning. That's what I'm working on. See that guy right there? Well, there's his motor. Come on. Right there. What do you think? You ever see a motor like that before? I haven't. It's in this hard case. Just like that. I don't want to be exact. Just like that. Electric lawnmower. Oh, look what's in there. So pretty. I gotta figure out how to get that off. I'm guessing. Oh, I have to get him off first. I don't know if there's a keyway on him or not. I might end up just sawing him off with the sawzall. That's how the motor comes off with the bolts. Now you know what it is. What does it say? Sterling Innovative Products. Where was I? We have to figure out how to get that off. Is that even copper in there? Yes, it is. It scratches like copper. Actually, this motor looks the same as those front load washing machines that have the big round motor. Same idea. Because if you see it, they're all individually wrapped. And it is copper. They scratch, scratch, scratch. So that's a bonus. Got a circuit board here on the bottom. The reason why this was here, because it was also self-propelled. The blade was attached there. So I'm going to have to further look into that self-propelling, see what's there. I didn't get the batteries with it, so I couldn't even tell you if this thing works. Big heavy cable. Almost looks strippable. Well, you see them right there on the circuit board. 3 great big whacking. So anywho, I'll have to try and get that off somehow. I don't see a keyway, like an Allen screw, on any of that. So, unless there's a screw in the middle. I don't see anything that resembles one. I'm thinking I'm just going to cut the shaft off. I do have a pulley puller, but I think that's all one item. I think. Yeah, that didn't move. Bearings are pretty rough too. They feel rough. I guess I'll get my sawzall out. We'll cut her off, but I can't get in there very well with the grinder. I don't think. Because then I can get the rest of it apart. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay. Grinder works good. bolted on too. Okay. Fancy wiring in there, isn't it? Look at that. Cool. Aluminum? It is. Cool. I just gotta get him off. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts holding them on. Okay, we're gonna cut some wires here. Oh, they're thick. Like a little circuit board there. It just unplugs. Yeah. See what I mean? Same as those front load washers. Oh, there's a clip there. I see it. I'm getting a screwdriver. Maybe I can do it with the knife. Knife ain't strong enough. Making sure you're seeing it. Come on. Yep. Screwdriver on the ground. There's some wire on the ground too. Voila. I need to hold you and pound you out. It's magnetic. It's holding you on. A little bit of solder joint. Okay. Yeah, see it better? That's magnetic. This thing. Let's get the magnet on the inside. I'm thinking this bearing went for a poop. Actually, you're gonna bring them with me. It's coming. We have to go in the garage. Come with me if you want to live. There, I have it apart. Got him in. I got him pounded out. Right out the bearing, see? And it is magnetic like I figured. It's the same as those washing machines. It's a very strong magnet. but I have no use for it. I'll get a better look at this guy. Take him out. That's all aluminum. I don't know if he's going to come out of there. I can punch the bearing out. But these are all going to be individually wound like everybody knows. That's how I do it. The plastic comes right off. That's why I left it long. Look at that copper. Well, that was worth it. Both lawnmowers had a copper motor in them. I know not everybody can take them home. Not everybody wants to spend time on it, but I look at it this way. I'm not going to get rich, but I do keep my bills paid. You can see there's 3 strands going from there all the way over, and then they start. So I'll have to cut them somewhere. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, let's get this off. I was wondering where they all were. So yeah, these cables are nice and heavy. Okay, so I have more stuff to get off of this aluminum plate. Are you up for getting your ears wrung? The hammer's going to do all that. These shouldn't be too hard. Something like that. Something like that. Come on. Side cutters are very, very handy tools, you know. Okay. These guys might be a little harder on the ears. Like I said, a little. Yeah. What's on here yet? Oh, plastic. Nice sheet. That is thick. You can put it in with your sheet, or it can go in with its own, because it is a heavier duty aluminum. So thick, thick, thick. Like that. Who's first? I don't. Oh. Where do you go? 3 at a time? That's different. Huh. It's going to be a little bit to figure this one out. You just can't go in any order you feel like. Here's the first one to go, right? A lot of silicone out of there. It's going to hinder. There's another one. Hinder. There's actually something in there. There's that silicone. There's another one there. Yeah. See, I have to find out who's first. It also might be the varnish that's hindering me. Yeah, there's a lot of varnish in there. See, now he's tucked underneath. So, yeah. And he's tucked underneath. It means there's a third. I know you're not seeing what I'm doing. Trying to figure out. This could take a while once I get it figured out. Is that the third one? Looks like you're wrapped underneath. You are. I don't have the right one yet. Oh moly. What am I looking at here? There we go. So now I don't have to hang on to it. Oh, now I'm doing all three at once. And that starts the next one. Okay. Rough idea what's on every loop. Good 20 inches. Alright. You see that? Good 20 inches. Okay. I'm not going to show you the whole thing because it's probably going to, maybe it won't take that long. They're wrapped in 4s. Huh. Not bad. I don't think it is. Oh, yeah. Looks like it's wedged in there. Let go. Oh, look at that. That's different. It's already different. Blind faith. I didn't know it would come out. That's copper wire, so it's pretty strong. Voila. There's the other one. Here's 2. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there you have it. Okay, we're unwound. Yes, I do use this once in a while. This is the one I found scrapping. It's a good grinder. Just a little guy. That's solid aluminum in the middle. You want the aluminum out. I tried pounding, it wouldn't work. Probably because it's melted in there or something. So I gave it a cut. There. Irony, aluminum. That's a nice chunk. Do I hang on to it and melt it? I probably know a few people who would love to have it. Mind you, it does have a lot of holes in it, but it's all aluminum. I've been hanging on to my aluminum chunks. Got a few of them in here. See? Solid aluminum. That was in the handle for the barbecue. That's why it's shaped like that. That part stuck out and that's where the screws went through. This, I don't remember what that came off of. I don't remember. Whatever, doesn't matter. I'll put them with... I've been throwing them in here. Chunky bits. But anyways, here's all the wire. Looks good to me. Good pound easy. Maybe more. Do you think it's worth it? A lot of people say no. I say yes. It's my time. I do what I want with my time, right? Where's my side cutters? I'm going to clip this off. Oh, that's thick. Thick and rich and coppery. These are actually pretty thick cables. So I put them in my bucket for strippables. Yeah, not that one. That ain't copper at all. Huh. Don't look coppery to me. What about you? It's aluminum. Wow, everything was copper. Except those guys. Well, ain't that a hoot? Yep. Come on. I can't grip it very well. Well, I don't know. What do you think? Looks like it's copper with aluminum coating. Not stripping it. I don't know. All I know is the video is getting too long. So I'm gonna shut you down. Thanks for watching. Electric lawnmower teardown. Beautiful sunny day. It's 10:30 almost. Like, subscribe, and share or not. Enjoy your day.